Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. For today, we are looking at this question. It says, simplify 40 to the power of 80 all over 80 to the power of 40. So we are going to find, in a simple form, the solution of this. So we are given 40 to the power of 80 all over 80 to the power of 40. So here we can rewrite this as 40 to the power of 40 plus 40 all over 80 to the power of 40. So here we have different methods, but we are going to show two different methods in how we are going to simplify this question for us to find the value of this question. So here, or the answer of this question. So here, the first thing is for us to simplify this to the power of 40 altogether. So here we have this. So we recall when we have a to the power of m plus n is same thing as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we are going to represent this in this format. So this will become 40 to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40 all over 80 to the power of 40. This is same thing as writing 40 to the power of 40 all over 80 to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40. So we can rewrite this by grouping this. So this will become, we recall when we have, say note, a to the power of m all over b to the power of m is same thing as a all over b all to the power of m. So here we are going to represent this in this format. So this will become 40 all over 80 all to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40. So here 40 will cancel here 1 and 40 will cancel here 2. So we have here as 1 all over 2 all to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40. So this is the same thing as writing 1 all over 2 times 40 all to the power of 40, because we multiply this and all of them are to the same power of 40 by expressing that in this format. So we have this in this format. So this will give us 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We have 20. Therefore, we have the value of this question as 20 to the power of 40. So this is what we have as the answer of this, the simple answer of this question. So the second method that we are going to look at is a method 2. So we are given 40 to the power of 80 all over 80 to the power of 40. So we can rewrite this as 40 to the power of 80 all over 2 times 40 all to the power of 40. So here can be written as 40 to the power of 80 all over 2 to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40. So this is what we have. We recall that when we have a times b all to the power of x is same thing as having a to the power of x times b to the power of x. So we can distribute the power to each of these. So this is why we have this. So in this case, we can rewrite that as 40 to the power of 80 all over 40 to the power of 40 times 1 all over 2 to the power of 40, because this is same thing as 1 all over 2 to the power of 40. So here we can rewrite this as, when we have, recall that when we have a to the power of x all over a to the power of c is the same thing as a to the power of x minus c. So we can represent this in this format. So that will give us, so doing, we will have the value of this answer as 40 to the power of 80. Here, this will go up, it will be minus 40, then times 1 all over 2 to the power of 40. So here, we can write this as 40 to the power of 40, because 80 minus 40 is 40, times 1 all over 2 to the power of 40. So this is what we have. So here we can write this as 40 all over 20 all to the power of 40. Here 2 will go here 20, 2 will go here 10, then 10 will go here 1, and 10 will go here 2. So we have 2 to the power of 40, which is the same thing of what we have here from method 1. So method 2 equals to method 1. We have different ways of tackling this question. So this satisfy the question. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.